harbour views, a peak and a gentle forested trail. We're taking on the Hong Kong Trail right here on Drone and Phone. Welcome to our Hong Kong Trail first edition. Today we're going to be doing sections 1 and 2. George, what shall we be looking forward to?
So today we're going to do a loop along the Lookout Road, fantastic view over to Hong Kong, and then we will walk slowly towards Aberdeen.
It's going to be pretty well downhill most of the way, flat or downhill. Nice easy day today. Let's get going.
Let's go.
Of the city's 4 long trails, the Hong Kong Trail is the shortest, easiest and most shaded. This makes it a perfect start to conquering the 4 big ones, a must for any serious Hong Kong hiker. Opened in 1985, the 46-kilometre hike is split into 8 sections to take you from Victoria Peak to Big Wave Bay. In this episode, we take on the first 2 sections that start at Lugard Road and Victoria Peak and wind their way down to Aberdeen. Well, this walk we're doing right now along Lugard Road, this is a great way to see the city. If I just pull you across here, looking out over, and we're going to get these views pretty well right the way along across Victoria Harbour, while at the same time walking along a road that's over 100 years old. Section 1 is relatively flat along a concrete road. The view along the way is possibly one of the best stretches for views over the harbour, and one I never tire of. So on the trail you're going to want to watch for this symbol. This is the Hong Kong Trail. Here we're going to take a sharp right.
Wait. This symbol is everywhere pointing to different direction. This symbol is everywhere pointing to different direction.
Okay, so let me explain to George. This is a good exercise. And this is the way we've come. That's the Hong Kong Trail. This is the Hong Kong Trail. This way.
Okay, I got you. Okay, yeah, let's go.
Okay. Once you make the right turn where Lugard Road meets Harlech Road, continue down the concrete path to the point it meets the Pok Fu Lam Family Trail just above the reservoir. It's about 7 kilometres in total and can be completed at a leisurely pace in about 2 hours. Well, that's the end of section 1, about 6.5 kilometres according to us. Very much 2 sections. The first section fairly flat going around Lugard Road, and then the second section through the woods past some fantastic waterfalls like this. How was it for you, George?
The first section is really easy. It's downhill mostly. And the second section, we're going to go up to Peel Rice Road.
That's his hometown. Let's go.
Let's go.
At only 4 kilometres, section 2 is shorter and follows a contour around the south side of Hong Kong Island inside the forested slopes. Well, one of the things I love about the Hong Kong Trail is that you're so close to the city, and yet you can walk for kilometres after kilometres along these trails and hardly see anyone along the way. As soon as you drop down off Lugard Road and down onto these smaller paths, you find people disappear and you're left alone. The easy shaded path takes you past cascading waterfalls and swarms of butterflies that follow you through the forest. It's a great escape from the stresses of the city and easy to reach. Well, that's it for sections 1 and 2 of the Hong Kong Trail. We've done, about 11 kilometres. It's been a fantastic day, beautiful weather, and a good, fun, easy walk. How was it for you, George?
I love this walk. Fantastic view over to Hong Kong Island and also Aberdeen. And don't forget to check out our other episodes because we're going to cover the rest of the trail.
We are indeed. And if you're just finding Drone and Phone, please search us out on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel there and you're going to see loads more videos. Also our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm George.
And this is Drone and Phone. Okay.